All right, and we're back for the third and final installment of 5610 East Charter Oak Road in Scottsdale, 85254. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3,048 square foot on a 17,000 square foot lot. And they're asking 1.3 for it, no HOA. Here is the back area, freshly painted. Pavers are gorgeous, landscaping's beautiful. Everything is organized, clean, and running well. Natural grass. Quiet neighbors. And this definitely is an old school diving pool. It's been refinished and everything looks great. Not sure how deep it is, probably 10, I would want to say, maybe 13. But yeah, needs a little skim. We've had some wind here this afternoon. You know, we actually experienced weather today where it was slightly windy from time to time. So here's, behind this obviously is the pool equipment. They just wanted to make it nice so you didn't have to look at all that fun stuff. Orange tree. So it's just beautiful with the palms, isn't it? It is a good looking pool. All it needs is some furniture, a nice stereo system, sound system, one of those inflatable geese duck things or whatever from your local pool store, and you're in business. Ah, grapefruit. Let's see what they got in here. Okay, so we've got a very sturdy storage shed. New slab, it looks like, or relatively new. It's not air conditioned, but not much to do here hanging out. Just the storing of, you know, paint and so forth. But it smells like it's brand new. This would be very handy. Okay. Now in the front of the lot, beyond that wall, there is more lot space to this house that belongs to this property. I'll see if I can get us over there real quick. All right. So basically, the lot line is from the corner over there all the way through to the front, so it kind of follows the rock path. If you could see an imaginary line going to the corner there, that tree and so forth would be on the neighbor's property. This one is on this property, so that's kind of the lay of the land. There's no clear division, but that's how it is. Kind of low maintenance around here. In the front, you do have the water on timers for the yard. And we'll go one last time over to the pool, as I just want to gloat about that some more. So, but nice job they did on this. Excellent. All right, let me close this up here. Oh, I'll get that later. I don't want to have you enjoy the view of that concrete wall. So anyways, let's just go once to the pool, and then we'll end this. Again, this is Kurt Boyd with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's Scottsdale office, and my pleasure to always be of good service to you. I'm at 480-203-3704 at your convenience, and it would be just my honor to help you. Thank you so much again. Let's take a dive. How about that? It's getting hot. I'm overdressed. Let's get the tunes out here. Let's go.